Ndewo, welcome to today's live class. So in this session, we'll be learning the verb want. So first I'll be conjugating this verb, and then afterwards we'll try to form sentences. So welcome and get ready as we begin the class. Also ask questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Kanyibido, let's begin. So this infinitive to want means, the way we say it in Igbo is icho. Icho, that's to want. Icho. Icho. Remember from the last live video, remember I said for infinitives like this, to want, to say, to talk, to cook, usually starts with I or A. So this one starts with A. Icho. Icho. Now this word want is choro. I'll write it by the side here. Choro. I hope you can see the board clearly. Want, choro. So let's start with the conjugation. So to say I want, achorom, achorom, achorom. You want, that's the singular you want. The singular one. Ichoro. Ichoro. Let me get another marker. This is much. Hello. I'm safe. Oh. Okay, this one is writing. Ichoro. Next is he or she wants. Ochoro. Ochoro. Next is we want. Anyị chọrọ. Anyị chọrọ. Then we have you want, that's the plural. You all, you want. Unu chọrọ. Unu chọrọ. Unu chọrọ. They want. Ha chọrọ. Ha chọrọ. So I'll go over the I'll go over the words again. To want. Ịchọ. Ịchọ. And then want. Chọrọ. Chọrọ. I want. Achọrọ m. Achọrọ m. You want. Ịchọrọ. Ịchọrọ. He or she wants. Ọ chọrọ. Ọ chọrọ. We want. Anyị chọrọ. Anyị chọrọ. You want, plural. Unu chọrọ. Unu chọrọ. They want. Ha chọrọ. Ha chọrọ. My marker is not showing well. Yeah, I think I'll get a new one. Why did you space Anichoro but not Achorum? So for I, these two letters go together, A and then the verb stays in the middle. So this is the way we write it. But Ani, the other ones stay on their own. But this one is written together with the verb. So let's try forming sentences. So let's say I want food. I want food. Hi, Juliana. So food is nri. I want food. Achọrọ m nri. Achọrọ m nri. Achọrọ m nri. So you can use this to say anything that you want. I want food, I want water, I want money, I want anything. So you can type in the comments whenever you're watching this. Type what you want. Use this format. Actual then you type whatever it is. So I want actual. I want food. Actual. So let's make another sentence. Let's say you want to say I want to go with you. I want to go with you. Achọrọ iso gị jee. Achọrọ iso gị jee. Achọrọ iso gị jee. So let's say it's the market. You want to follow someone to the market. You want to say, I want to go with you to the market. Achọrọ iso gị jee after. If it's church, achọrọ iso gị jee ụlọ ụka. Or if you just plain, I want to go with you. Achọrọ iso gị jee. Achọrọ iso gị jee. How do you type? Why have you not texted me on WhatsApp? That one is not part of the lesson. So another example, I want to, okay, I want to eat food. I want to eat food. Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri. You can see this is an infinitive. To eat. Remember it begins with E or A. So this to eat is iri. Iri. Same as this, to go. Okay, I didn't write it here like this. But to go is EJ. So remember all the infinitives, they begin with E or A. So I want to eat food. We'll do this once another day. To go, to eat, and the rest. Today we're focusing on this, to want, picture. I want to eat food. Achọrọ iri nri. Achọrọ iri nri. We've done which one already? I want money. Who can translate this one? Okay, yes, we've done food, but we did I want food, but this one is I want to eat food. I want money. Onka kigama. Achọrọ m ego. Yes, money is ego. Achọrọ m ego. Achọrọ m ego. If you have any other sentence you want us to translate, you can also type that. Achọrọ m ego. So money is ego. Achọrọ m ego. Achọrọ m ego. Ị chọrọ ego oyibo, jee rụọ ọrụ na. Jee rụọ ọrụ. If you have any questions too, you can drop that. I wanna marry you. Okay, let me translate. Let's translate that one. I want to marry you. I want to marry you. If you are watching, you can try to translate before I do that. I want to marry you. Even if you don't know it, at least you know how to say I want. So, achọrọ to marry is ịnụ. Achọrọ m ịlụ gị. Achọrọ m ịlụ gị. So you is gị. Achọrọ m to marry. Ịlụ, you can see it started with I. To marry. Ịlụ. I want to marry you. Achọrọ m ịlụ gị. Achọrọ m ịlụ gị. I want to go on a honeymoon with you to Paris. Ha. This is a beginner class. That one is too long. Achọrọ m ịlụ gị. So you have achọrọ m nri. Achọrọ m iso gị jee. Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m ego. Achọrọ m ịlụ gị. Okay. You can do one last sentence before, because this is supposed to be a 15-minute live. Also, the replay will be on the channel, so you can go back and watch it again. And also drop any questions if you have. Let's do the last sentence before we end the live. Which other one should we translate? No, it's separate. I didn't join it. It's not together. Achọrọ m ịlụ gị. Achọrọ m ịlụ gị. Gị is you. So it's not together, it's separate. Okay, let's do one last one. I want to rest. I want to rest. Ilu. No, ilu is together. You don't separate the e from lu. It's together. Ilu. I want to rest. Achọrọ m. Achọrọ m izu ike. Achọrọ m izu ike. I want to rest. Achọrọ m izu ike. So to rest, can see started with e. To rest, izu ike. Izu ike. I want to rest. Achọrọ m izu ike. Achọrọ m izu ike. Ịgbalịgo. 100/100 kwa. M ga-egburu gị efi. Okay. Any last questions? Because we've come to the end of the live. I'll do that. Okay. Thank you all for joining. I appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe and tell people to subscribe as well. We have live sessions often on the channel. And I'll be dropping videos too as well. So if you have any questions or anything or any topic you want us to do, you can drop that in the comments. Daluno. My earlier live streams, I didn't teach in those ones, so I didn't upload them. Am I supposed to upload it? I didn't teach, or just chat with people, so I didn't upload it. It does not matter. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. Tomorrow is Friday, Gezike. My duster is here. I'm going to chair my mecha live stream. eke ka ime ịṅụchago ọgwụ gị? mme egote ụtarị. mme egote. Still on my meds. Ọ bụ ọgwụ ịba ka ị na-aṅụ? Ọ kwesịghị ịgwụ 3 days na. My laptop has issues, so I'll be using this for now. Kichi gote m ọzọ. You didn't start early on your job. How's your day? My day was okay. Oh. Mmiri zota. Ke na-atọ gị ọchị? Maka na asị gị chi gote m ọzọ. Evening class is okay. I think it's better because people will be at work during the day, in the morning or afternoon. So evening is when I think people have time. Ibo onye job na. Ibo onye job. Ibo onye job. Next time they give free drugs, then we pharmacy. Or pharmacy me pay. The one will go. The bottle will go. Okay. Thank you all for joining. I'll see you in the next one. Boy also. Boy also. Oh, I've been there now. My boy also, just in case. Mm-hmm. Okay. I know. Sa do sa do si I know what 79046421. Am Ah. Eh, 020. Hey, they go Mia. One. Got bus corner from Luca ever. Catch your phone. Bye bye.